or how to merge three cells data in one cell, then keep watching. Depending on whether you want to combine the text inside the cells or physically merge the cells themselves. Here are the most effective ways to do in the Excel. So the first method is the combine data using a formula. This method keeps all your original data visible in a single new cell. So use the ampersand formula, put the equal sign, select the first cells, space, ampersand, space, double quote, space, double quote, space, ampersand, space, select the second cells, space, ampersand, space, double quote, space, double quote, space, ampersand, and select the third cell, hit enter, and here result in front of you. So if you want to add a comma in it, then F2 and type comma between double quotes and hit enter, and here you can see that. And if you want to add dash in it, then remove the comma, put the dash, hit enter, and here it is. There is another way, which is the text join function, which is best for many cells or if some cell might be empty. So you need to put the formula equal sign text join, open the bracket, double quote, space, double quote, comma, true to ignore the empty cell, space, select the range and close the bracket and hit enter, and this is what you can see that. There is another function which is the concat function, a simple way to join a range. So you need to put the equal sign, type concat, open the bracket, select the range, close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is. So if you don't want to use any formula, then there is a flash fill. So in the next cell to your data, manually type exactly how you want to the first row to the look. For example, Sarah, Jane, Miller, hit enter, press Ctrl+E. Excel will detect the pattern and fill the rest of the columns instantly. So with these way, you can easily merge three cells data in one cell. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.